Hey, good evening. So we are in Sinop now, and in the Sinop, this is the beautiful place called Erfelek Waterfall. We are going to explore here Erfelek Waterfall. It's a mountain way actually. We just park our car here nearby. They have picnic area also nearby, and they have different levels of waterfall. So it starts with like level 1, level 2, level 3. It's too late now. I think we'll try to do something like level 1 till 3. It's a beautiful view. It will just start now from here. Yeah, so don't forget to take your trekking bag and shoes with you and some extra clothes, and definitely also shorts. They have very good facility, you can see over here, for picnic. Yes. Yeah, you got everything over here, like you can also wear chappals. They got some food to eat, and the waterfall starts from here now. Our Neeman shrimp here. You can see. I think water is very cold, that's why nobody is going inside. And it's too late now for us to go also inside waterfall. So they are buying now something to eat before we start. We got a lot of waters inside. Yeah, and I think we are going to take this way to go up to the waterfall. I can show you guys how many waterfalls are there. Let's see. There are a lot of steps around. I think it's almost like 3 kilometer way. So you can see over here, Shalale means waterfall. Shalale 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8 lot. You need at least 3 hours to finish this. How many meters? Like 1.5 kilometer in total. Wow. Let me take you guys to the behind of the waterfall. What is there? It's very well paved road actually, so there's nothing to worry about. It's not slippery. So you can see over here the waterfall, very close to the waterfall. Oh nice, it looks nice. So in the waterfall, let me test water. Oh my god, it's very cold, very cold. Wow. Gel. Su buz gibi. Çok soğuk. Gel. Sefa nasıl?
Çok güzel.
Çok güzel o da. Sen? Gel.
Wow.
Buz. Çok soğuk. It's very cold. Wow. And if you have proper shorts and it is a daytime sunny, then you can really jump inside and swim. It's allowed over here to swim. Çok güzel.
Hadi tırmanalım.
Gel. So we are going up now. So he's going to bring me up now. As I said, like we have already 8 steps and we have total 1.8 kilometer to walk. So we start our journey from here. This is the first waterfall, first step, and then we have to go all the way from here to up. Yeah.
Serhat abi. Az gel. Baharat az mı olur mu?
So we just got the potato chips now over here.
Yeah.
Spring potato chips.
Too hot, right?
Energy booster before we go up.
Evet.
Ben kendimi yemeğe sar.
This is the view with the waterfall. Sarat, what are you going to show us upside now?
No chance. No chance. Too difficult.
Too difficult.
Plus dangerous.
Alright, 9.5 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer in total. This overall steps, and we are going to head toward the second waterfall, which is almost like, I guess, only 200 meters from here.
Ne oldu şu anda kayıtta mı acaba?
That's life. Devam ediyor.
Ekran kapandı da o yüzden.
Come on. Look here, it's already given. Next is 300 meter. The another one is 1,500 meter. Shit.
You don't need to see YouTube from me.
No, Ain Satik, Ain Par. You can see the boards are already marked very good over here, like 300 meter from here is the next waterfall. Then 1,500 meter is the another one. What is this actually? It's like Shair Teras Lari. What does it mean?
Terası. Also
Ah.
für view.
It's a gallery after 1,500 meter, I guess.
Maybe yeah.
Yeah. So we are busy eating potatoes actually to get little energy. Oh. So guys, everywhere is dikkat.
Finish now.
Dikkat.
Dikkat. Attention please, attention please.
We are tired.
Yeah.
But they got really very good way to go up, so there's no danger. Very well maintained walking way. Oh,
It's not
but we are tired because we don't do any exercise.
more than any exercise. Bak buradan şuralarda
Oh, schau mal, Schalale bak. Unten.
oradan yürüme çıkıyorduk işte. Normalerweise zu Fuß.
Schau mal, die haben ein Loch, du kannst auch schwimmen kann.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see from here,
Merdiven
there's a waterfall down, and they have a blue gap, blue hole where you can go and swim actually. Look. Wow. Siehst du? Super.
Wahnsinn, ja? Die Farbe.
Unfortunately, they blocked the route from down because I think 2 or 3 years back somebody died over there.
From here.
That's why they made a new route.
Look in.
Wooden route. Look at the place. Amazing. Looks like Amazon. Wow. Everywhere is green, and in middle, waterfall and pool, natural pool. Looks like paradise. Wow.
200 metre ileride kafe var. Orada bir su içiyorduk. He. Veya bir ayran oldu.
Ayran?
Buz gibi. Bu yolun sonunda ayran var.
So he is trying to say that at the end of this street they are selling natural iron. Let's see.
Böyle buz gibi.
Oh. But the water is very cold. So we can just put our feet inside. But I don't think so that we can swim. Look. Unten.
Nearly perfect clear. Oralardan ne kadar güzel çıkacak. You have to be fast.
Okay. So we are very late, actually it is 6 o'clock in the evening, so we have to be very fast if we want to see all the waterfalls, 1.5 kilometer.
Ağaçlar yıkılmış abi, o yüzden
That is the reason why we blocked this complete down street, because of the woods and trees which is fallen and nobody can cross that. Okay.
400 metre kalmış. Yani
So now you can see what we are going to see actually. This is the thing.
1,5 kilometre kalmış. Daha 100 metre gelmişiz. 1.4 kilometre.
We came only 100 meter now. There are still 1.4 kilometer left.
That's right.
But the stairs are not accessible for the handicaps. Definitely if you have knee problem or leg problem or you are on wheelchair, not recommended to come over here.
It's a real why I said you have to be fast.
Fast.
If you don't go fast, your legs are burning.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Look at the cave. There was waterfall, but it is not
Normally
right.
you can
Normally you can go from here, but they close it. But I think this temperature is much better. It's not sunny. Yeah, it's not so hot. Moisture is still there, but it's pleasant temperature, like 26 degree, I guess. You don't sweat. It's really good.
I don't have to do squats.
Sefa anlatacaksın şelale.
Neyi
Nasıl
anlatayım?
şelale?
Ağaçlar yıkılmış, oradan yürümemize izin vermiyorlar. Biz de buralardan işte böyle yürüme. Kafeye doğru gidiyoruz. Buz gibi ayran içmeye.
Okay, so he just explained me that all the trees are on the way, fall down. So that is the reason why we cannot take the waterfall way, and we are walking over here. And after end of this, there's a beautiful waterfall, and we can get something to drink over there.
Normally,
And water is very cold. You can see small kids, they are still on this way. How safe it is. I was expecting complete mountain with the rocks, not like this walking area like Germany or something, but this is really well maintained route. What's Max? You have to be fast. So
come on.
water is broke. No, water is stopped. Look, they are not allowing water. That's why.
Yes.
So this is another waterfall which is completely dried out because there is work going on, I believe. Guys, this is not artificial, it's natural. They are just maintaining this. So we just reached to another corner. Oopa. So this is one of the bridge. And waterfall is there, you can see. Almost water is like dried out. Did you ever came in rainy season over here? From here? Nice. Dangerous. I don't have right shoes. So they got one small cafe in middle of nowhere. Okay. So now there are two ways going. One is going down.
Look at the
Oh,
sister.
what?
It's an insect of the
Oh yeah, butterfly.
Nice.
Super.
Like a
Sure.
helicopter.
Yeah. Nice. So was unten hier oder? This is,
No, normalerweise diese.
ja, aber hier steht Chelade. Das ist der andere Weg.
Oradan mı açıyor?
Oh no, this is only the viewpoint. This is only.
Das ist nur ein Schilder.
Yeah, come, wir gehen.
Also wir müssen wieder hier lang.
Yeah. So this is going
Hab ich vergessen.
down one to the waterfall.
Hier.
Just one of the waterfall actually from 9 and 10. Oh. Oh, look. Okay. I have to mind my steps because it's very steep.
Yes. In there.
So you look at the waterfall, and now first I have to trust my shoes. Is it slipping or not? Okay. There's Bishan Ruchik, little slippery, but not that much. I'll take care. So this is the way I think for my shoes to best go. Yes, this is the way. You can see the waterfall now. Wow. Guys, we just reached to the waterfall now. This is one of our second stop to reach the waterfall, and you can see how it is.
Wow.
And if you come to waterfall and if you do not wet your head at least, there's no use.
Normally you can climb here.
Yeah, but not with this shoes.
No. Not at all.
Sefa? Gel, hal beraber.
Soll ich euch filmen?
Hey, he's going with the shoes, he said.
Gut. Willst du auch?
Gut, wir haben ohne Schuhe gehen dann.
Ja, gut.
Es ist eine Flasche, oder? Drin, Glas oder so.
Normalerweise nicht. Bir kesici bir şey yoktur değil mi suyun içinde? Kesici bir şey yoktur suyun içinde. Without shoes. Too cold, huh?
Almost 15 degrees.
Maximum. Üstünü çıkar diyor enişte. Üstünü çıkar diyor. Aynen öyle.
Öyle girmek değil. Çıkabiliyor musun?
Biliyor biliyor. Fazla konuşamıyor ama.
Yiğit bir oradan nasıl edeceğim? Tamam fazla gitmiyorsun. Hayır.
Man. Ah. Woo! Yeah. Keep going. Hot or cold?
O kadar girdi bari yükseydi. Abi var ya şu mükemmel. Ayakları kazdı. Çok güzel.
Niye o içine girdi ki?
Yağla girecek bakıyor musun?
Ah, du willst rein? Soll ich noch laufen lassen? Aber dann ist alles nass.
Ich habe eine Hose.
Dann kannst du hier dann anziehen.
Ich habe schon
Sefa? Yani senden de aynı performansı bekliyoruz.
Buz gibi olmasa.
İşte olay orada ya zaten. Wow! Wow! Woo!
Aber sehr gut.
Das ist Medicine. Medicine. Das ist Medizin. Hadi Sefa.
Hadi Safa, hadi.
Abi yapma abi.
Hadi. Safa hadi.
Şu an sen kendini gösterme zamanın ama Sefa.
İyi ya, iyi ya.
Ben sana söyleyeyim.
Safa, you are ticket.
Wow! From here, view from here enişte. Komm. Nochmal.
Kartları kartlara koyalım.
Enişte. Schau wo ich bin. Baksırını çıkar. Hadi. Olsun sen. Durur o. Ama tişörtünü çıkar. Schau mal mein View von hier. Wow.
Wie ist die Licht eigentlich? Vom Kamera.
Also ich sehe ja, ist ja dunkel.
Nein, mach das Pause einmal.
Hier?
Kann einmal drücken.
Ja. Wow. Nice. Wow. Woo.
8 o'clock in the evening.
Woo.
Sehr geil.
Nice.
Nein.
Duvarı elle duvarı. La vue. Ah.
Ay ıslattık hep.
Ja.
Ende. Aber das geht schnell raus. Komm. So finally we got a chance to take a dip inside. It's amazing. Now we have to worry about how we can wear our shoes back because everywhere is muddy. Look at the final view of this waterfall. Wow. Nice. Okay. Now we can just get our t-shirt and socks. One.
Oh wow, Indian flowers. Oo ne güzel bir yere gelmişiz kızlar. Bu kimin? Ha. Ay ne güzel.
Okay.
Bakın ben bunu dedim ya.
Guys, we just finished now our waterfall and now we are heading back towards. Better hand in Utsin.
Kaymayan bir yer bulmam lazım. O da burası.
Hand in Utsin, Imma.
Bak şu taş kayıyor.
So we are using our hands to go down actually, not only complete body weight. So we are just, you can see from where we came now. There's a small, cute little waterfall and so beautiful experience. Water is like almost 15 degree, very, very cold. But the outside temperature is like around 25. So you don't feel actually any coldness. Amazing. Come on, guys. Gel. Oh. Nobody will believe that on the way we are going and taking shower and going up again with complete wet clothes. So, sun is there already, Stralsund is there. Look, the sunshine. Wow. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Şoma verin.
Oh, isn't here?
Order gözleme. Order gözleme. Go there. Oh she's making.
I finished. We only took shower inside. We are going up.
Şelale girdim.
Yok kız o demir biz gelmiyorduk normalde işte kıyafet
No, we are going up. Otherwise, we'll be very late. Yeah, eat. We are going up.
Vallahi bir şey içelim.
Bakalım. Ben sizi şöyle bir, sizi değil de sadece şu gözlemeyi çeksem. Aynen. This is called gözleme in our country, Turkey. It's made filled up with spinach, with potato, with cheese. You can order any which you like. And I must say, the lady is making really amazing. And it's very, very tasty. Elinize sağlık, çok güzel. Gerçekten çok güzel.
Onlar kaynağı gidiyorlar. Kaçta? 10 ve 11'e gidebilirler. Tamam.
So it's already dark now, and they are saying that it's going to get close after some time. So we have to be very quick now. Let's see. But there are still kids going on. Mbappe, number 9.
Mehmet al.
Right? Fun, yeah. Sefa, hiçbir şey yok orada. Ha. We are taking another route now. I heard in this jungle there are fox.
Ya.
Yeah, fox. Oh, this is the same waterfall where we took bath. Downside, if you can see. And now we are up.
Bu o. buradakine mi girdik ya?
Ya burada.
Ee,
Ama Sefa buraya şuve lazım.
Buraya ayakkabı lazım.
evet.
Ne kadar?
Fazla değildi.
Fazla değil? Okay. So guys, I was just saying that to walk on these rocks, we need a proper shoes because I have only sport shoes, not mountain shoes. I mean, we all have no mountain shoes. Actually, we all are on sports running shoes. Let's try.
Bakayım mı?
So let's sagen, dass ich gehe nicht mit dem Schuh rein in Wasser.
He o ayakkabılarla girmeyecek ama Sefa.
Tamam, o bakayım. Uzak bir yer mi? Tamam. Abi, oradan öyle gelebilirsiniz.
Okay, we are just taking another route.
Müssen wir aufpassen.
So one at a time, one at a time. You can see a mini fall.
Buradan bak birkaç tane aldım. Aldık küçük şeylerdi. Ya oradan da gidebiliyor herhalde.
Ja.
So guys, you can see another fall over there. It's straight in front of this rock. It's a hidden fall. That's the reason why we just took this way to come. So now it's the challenging part for my shoes. Direkt hoch. Okay. So, oh, this one is much better. So this one is much better. They have also the pond like to swim in. But I guess we already took shower down and we are getting dried up now. Nice. Wow. So we can climb up from here actually.
Burası da üste gidiyor.
Nereye?
Bu buraya.
He? Çıkalım mı? Ben çıkarım.
Neyse.
Ben de çıkarım. So he's saying me to take this route now on the mountain way and go another way. This side.
Wir rutschen das weg, weil es zu nass ist.
Er kann schon vertrauen zu oben zu gehen.
Ja, aber wir können alle vertrauen, aber nicht das.
Nein, wie ist das oben dann?
Das kann man von hinten gehen.
Çıkması problem değil de geri inmesi problem oluyor.
Ja, raufgehen ist kein
Aynen.
Problem, aber wieder runter.
Ja, besser from here dann. Ja, ja, doch, ich glaube ja.
Çıkmayın abi.
Nein, jetzt nicht so.
Geldiğimiz yoldan gideceğiz işte. Niye zorluyoruz?
Okay, I go first and then you come. Wow.
Whew. Crazy, dude. Yeah? It looks easy.
From this mountain, from here, till up.
Bir atlatıyor.
Come on. Ja.
Ja, camera.
Ja.
Camera macht tot.
Echt? Bei die gefährlichsten Berge bist du gestiegen bei Kleinigkeiten.
Ah, das bedeutet, das kommt so in diese Weg zu stehen und dann geht andere Richtung auf.
Ja.
Hey,
Normalerweise.
ich höre was.
Ja, das ist so. Hier vorhin gelaufen.
Messi, oder? Ja, Mbappe. Okay, so we just took we're taking this mountain way now to go to another spot. Let's see what is there. It's showing us canyon way of for 1.1 kilometer, and this is the way actually. Here. Schau mal, das ist 7 Uhr genau. In 30 Minuten wieder kommen wieder zurück. Schau mal, das Mädchen geht hoch, Mann. Schau mal hier.
Ja, die haben. Bei dieser Adrenalin, was die haben. Das ist normal.
Ya, hey gayret, hey gayret. Hey gayret.
Ha gayret vallahi.
Ha gayret.
Ha gayret. Ah. La pu. La pu.
Es gibt. So, we did not even walk 100 meters now, we are tired. Because it's complete mountain way. Guys, it's almost like half an hour we are walking now inside the jungle. I don't know where to go. It's still steep. This is the complete. Yeah, we again runter. Okay. So guys, finally we are going down. It's too dark. We cannot manage to go upside because we don't have any equipment like torch or GPS to come back. So we decided to go back. It's still 2 kilometers up.
Sedat abi.
Geschafft, nichts geschafft.
Çok yoruldunuz mu? Burası güzel ama. O salıncak da güzel. That swing is nice. Dikkat dikkat yavaş. Ben Seher'le gittim oraya.
Dark now. Night. It's night now. So.
Ayaklarım yanmış.
So finally we've ended over here because everything is very dark now and we have to go back. So I'll just take a return back.
Bitiyor zaten. Oraya kadar mı çıktınız?
Hayır, parkı şurada bitiyor zaten.
9-9.
Yes, after seeing 10 şelale, right, Ram? Like that. ऐसी.
Then मैं record कर रहा हूँ. So, more 100 meter to reach the parking place. So we finish our day over here now. It's the fall. And finally we are finished for today. We enjoyed at least 4 to 5 waterfalls. You really need to come early over here, like maybe 10 o'clock in the morning, and stop at every waterfall level, and then you reach after 1.5 kilometer on the top to the spring place. See over here. Nice.
vintage. Did you like?
Hmm.
Susadım. Çık su. Tamam. Şimdi kameraya çekerken
Bitti.
So guys, this is our end of day, and we're stopping the video now over here. We already saw most of the waterfall, and now we're going out of this place. Car plus parking area.
tatlı oldu da çok biraz sarmaşık olmadınız beraber. Evet, bir daha bir güzel bir şey.
Sheila,